In vibrant words, we will come across a few words with their usage. The source of the word will be vibrant. Today's words: tweak. Tweak means fine tune. Conjure. Conjure means magic, jadoo. Edifice. Edifice means imarat, building. Quiver. Quiver, a case for carrying arrows. Tarkash. Leeway. Leeway, छूट, मोहलत. नज, एल्बो से पुश करना, इशारा करना. स्पर्ट. स्पर्ट, तेज करना. Envisage. Envisage, to imagine what will happen in the future. परिकल्पना, तसव्वुर. Now we will see usage of these words. These words are from the Hindu editorial of today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's fresh set of measures on Monday to spur consumer demand and capital expenditure include an interestingly designed tweak to the LTC allowances of government employees. Here we have seen the usage of the word spur and tweak. But this package, which will cost the exchequer about 0.2% of GDP, taking overall fiscal support through the pandemic to 1.7% of GDP, may not be as persuasive as may have been envisaged. Rupees 2000 crore has been set aside for states that managed to complete 3 of 4 reforms mandated in the earlier Atmanirbhar Bharat package in order to get additional borrowing leeway. Linking LTC perks of government staff who have not availed them yet due to restricted travel during the pandemic to spending on non-travel items is an innovative nudge. One hopes the government has more in its quiver to expedite recovery. The focus should not just be on conjuring a trickle-down stimulus from those with their jobs and savings intact, but also on relief measures for those without. So we have seen the use of these words. Today's words were tweak, conjure, edifice, quiver, leeway, nudge, spurt, envisage. When we come across words on several occasions, then we have understanding of those words. We have friendship with those words and we imbibe knowingly or unknowingly these words, and these are very helpful when we are writing essays or using in day-to-day communication. So we have learned today these words. I am repeating again because we have to make acquaintance with these words. So listening a number of times will help a lot. Tweak means fine tune. Conjure means magic. Edifice means imarat. Quiver means tarkash. Leeway means छूट और मोहलत. नज, एल्बो से पुश करके इशारा करना. स्पर्ट, तेज करना. इनविजिज, to imagine what will happen in the future. परिकल्पना, तसव्वुर. Thanks for listening.